Hi guys, this is JD and welcome you guys to JD's English Club. Let's begin our today's English practice. तुमे मते कहि परथांत जे तुमे आसुछ बोली. You could have told me that you are coming. You could have told me that you are coming. मोर डर थिला कि तुमे मते आसीबा को मना करिवो. I was afraid you would say don't come. I was afraid you would say don't come. तुमे केमिति भाई परछो जे मु एमती काम करिवि? How could you think I would do such thing? How could you think I would do such thing? तुमे मोठु एमती आशा करछो? That's what you expect from me? That's what you expect from me? जेबे मु तुमको प्रथम थर पाई देखिली मते प्रेम होई गला. I fall in love with you the moment I saw you. I fall in love with you the moment I saw you. तुमे बहुत देरी कर दिलो बा बहुत विलंब कर दिलो. You are too late. You are too late. मोर बाहागर ठीक होई जाईची. My marriage has already been fixed. My marriage has already been fixed. काली मोर बाहागर. I'm getting married tomorrow. I'm getting married tomorrow. तुमे एहा विषय भाबिबो कि? Will you think about it? Will you think about it? को विषय भाबिबी? Think about what? Think about what? आम विषय रे? About us? About us? कौन तुम मुंड खराब? Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? तुमे सुनिलन कि मु कौन कहली? Didn't you hear what I said? Didn't you hear what I said? मु विवाह करूची. I'm getting married. I'm getting married. किंतु तुमे कहितलो मते प्रेम कर बोली. But you said you loved me. But you said you loved me. मोर से कथा कहिबार 2 वर्ष होई गलानी. It has been 2 years since I said that. It has been 2 years since I said that. तुमर एमिति चली जीवाटा ठीक नथिला. It wasn't fair to have gone like that. It wasn't fair to have gone like that. मु तुमको किसी बहुत गुरुत्वपूर्ण कथा कहबाकू चाहूची. I want to tell you something very important. I want to tell you something very important. जदि आजि मु तुमको न कहे आउ केबे कहबाकू सुजोग पाइबेनी. If I don't tell you today, I will never get a chance to tell you again. If I don't tell you today, I'll never get a chance to tell you again. से दिन तुम बापा मो कारणरू मरि जाइथिले. That day your father was died because of me. That day your father was died because of me. ए सब मोर भूल थिला. It was all my fault. It was all my fault. तुमे सब कौन कहूचो? What are you saying? What are you saying? मु तुमको सत कहूची. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. से दिन मु गोटे खेल रे किछि टंका जीतिथिली. That day I won some money in a game. That day I won some money in a game. किंतु सेमाने मते जीतिथिबा टंका देले नाही. But they didn't give me the money I won. but they didn't give me the money I won. ତାପରେ ଜଣେ ତାଙ୍କ ଟଙ୍କା ଚୋରେଇ ନିଏ. Then someone steals their money. Then someone steals their money. ସେ ଚୋର ମୋ ଆଡ଼କୁ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଆସୁଥିଲା. The thief was running towards me. The thief was running towards me. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଅଟକେଇ ପାରିଥାନ୍ତି. I could have stopped him. I could have stopped him. କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତିଶୋଧ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲି. But I wanted revenge. But I wanted revenge. ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଖସି ଚାଲିଯିବାକୁ ଦେଲି. So I let him get away. So I let him get away. ସେ ଚୋର ଗୋଟେ କାର୍ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲା. The thief wanted a car. The thief wanted a car. ସେ ତୁମ ବାପାଙ୍କ କାର୍ ନେବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲା. He tried to take your father's car. He tried to take your father's car. ତୁମ ବାପା ମନା କଲେ. Your father said no. Your father said no. ତାପରେ ସେ ତୁମ ବାପାଙ୍କୁ ଗୁଳି କରିଦେଲା. Then he shot your father. Then he shot your father. ଯଦି ମୁଁ ସେଦିନ ସେ ଚୋରକୁ ଅଟକେଇ ଥାନ୍ତି, if I had stopped the thief that day, if I had stopped the thief that day, ତୁମ ବାପା ଆଜି ଜୀବିତ ଥାନ୍ତେ. Your father would have alive today. Your father would have alive today. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଅତି ସହଜରେ ଅଟକେଇ ପାରିଥାନ୍ତି. I could have stopped him so easily. I could have stopped him so easily. ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଥର ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିଛି ତୁମକୁ କହିବାକୁ. I have tried to tell you so many times. I have tried to tell you so many times. କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କହିପାରିନି. But I couldn't tell you. But I couldn't tell you. ଯଦି ହୋଇପାରେ ମୋତେ କ୍ଷମା କରିଦିଅ. Forgive me if possible. Forgive me if possible. ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଦଣ୍ଡ ପାଇବାକୁ ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ଅଟେ. I deserve to be punished for that. I deserve to be punished for that. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक करंतु एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु स्पोकन इंग्लिश रो बहुत किस वीडियो पाइबाकू. टेक केयर. बाय.